Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, you need to locate calendar and click on it. Now select this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. After that, you need to tap on the month above. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon to create your event. You need to tap on it, select event, and then adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title to it. Over here, you can pick starting hour and ending one. If you wish to disable this feature completely, just tap on this switcher next to all day. You can also select Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you wish your event to repeat, for example, every year. After that, you can add people from your contact book, select location over here, type in an address, and just tap on the correct one. Now you need to set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event by tapping on the chosen option or choosing custom and adjusting it however you want to. After that, you can click on Add Description and take notes. Then add attachments if you wish to, over here as well, and choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, tap on it, click on pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. Remember to choose Save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Delete at the top, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!